fact, this creator literally just went from struggling to grow to gaining over 50,000 subscribers simply by implementing this strategy. And this creator was able to do the same thing, except they gained over 200,000 subscribers. And the same thing can happen to you if you change the hashtags you use.
Using best hashtags on your channel will help you gain visibility and engagement. This is what a lot of big YouTubers have told us. So on this video, we're going to try that out and see if it will work for our channel. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she and what the heavens is she talking about? Hi. My name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. And on this video, we are following up a strategy that big YouTubers have said you can use it and go viral, because we are all small YouTubers and startup YouTubers, and we also want to go viral and gain visibility on our channels. So we're going to use this strategy, implement it, and see how our channel can grow. So if this is interesting to you and you want to join us, do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end and implement the video to see if it works for your channel. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for your unending support. I do not take that for granted. Thank you so very much. Now, we're going to go into the different hashtags you can use on your YouTube video and expect visibility. And we're going to separate them because these hashtags do not fall in the same category, and depending on your niche, the hashtags I will use for my channel will not be the same hashtags you will use for your channel. But at some point, we have general hashtags that every YouTuber can use. Now we're going to begin with the first hashtag, or the first group of hashtags, which is the general YouTube growth hashtags. Now, the general YouTube growth hashtags are those hashtags that you can use on any video, no matter your niche. So far as you are on YouTube and you have a YouTube channel, you can use these hashtags. Also, I'm going to show you how you can set up these general YouTube hashtags on your channel, so that no matter the video you upload on your channel, you're going to have these hashtags permanently right there. So come along with me to YouTube Studio. Let me show you where you can set these hashtags steadily on your channel. Come over to your YouTube channel, click right here on your picture, then you go over to YouTube Studio. Here on YouTube Studio, at the left hand side of your screen, click on Settings. Click right here on Channels and click here on Basic. We have Basic Info, we have Advanced Info, and we have Future Eligibility. All right, so click here on Basic Info, and right here where you see keywords, these are general hashtags for my channel. All right, this is where you have to set up these general hashtags. So you don't need to upload a video and go to set or to put in your general hashtags. As you are setting up your YouTube channel, come over to channel, to basic info, and then you set your general hashtags that will remain permanent on every video that you upload on YouTube. So it's as simple as that, and when you're done, you click on save, and there you go. Now, the second category of hashtag is the tutorial hashtag, or how to hashtag. Now, this hashtag depends on the video or the topic of the video you're posting on YouTube and your niche. Now, let me show you examples of these hashtags in respect to my own channel. According to ChatGPT, these are the best hashtags for my niche, how to make money online. All right, so you can pause your screen and take a look at them if you are on the same niche with me, but if not, you can still search for that on ChatGPT. Here on this website, these are the best hashtags for my niche. So if you are in the same niche with me, then you can pause and take a copy of them, but if not, you can still go to Google and search for the best hashtags for your niche. On the right hand side right here, These are also some recommended hashtags for my niche. You can copy them, pause the video and copy them, or search for yours if you are not in the same niche with me. The third type of hashtags we have are the animation hashtags. Now, depending on the kind of animation you use on your video, you can now use a hashtag like what I'm showing you right now on your screen to describe the animation you have. For example, if I use something like Canva, then I will have to use hashtags like hashtag Canva, hashtag Canva tutorial, and things like that. So depending on the kind of animation you use on your video, you can use this kind of hashtags. Also, this hashtag is the same as the tutorial hashtag, which means that each time you're uploading a video, you will have to write out these hashtags on that video, or depending on the video you're uploading on your channel at that time. The fourth type of hashtag is the storytelling hashtag or the script writers hashtag. And we have hashtags like what you have on your screen right now. These are the kind of hashtags I'm talking about. So this depends on who wrote the script you are talking about, or who wrote the story you are talking about. So these are the kind of hashtags you have to add to your YouTube video. And implementing this hashtag, you have to upload this hashtag or set this hashtag every other time you are uploading your video, depending on the title and on your niche. The fifth type of hashtag is the video editing hashtag. The video editor I use to edit my video is not the same video editor you use in editing your own video. So when you are putting in this video editing hashtags, you have to do that in respect to the video editor you use in editing your video. And you need to implement this every other time you are uploading a video on YouTube. If you're still here at this moment, thank you very much for watching this video up to this moment. I hope you've clicked on that like button and you are subscribed to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on the next strategy you can use to improve the views and the engagement on your YouTube channel. The next set of hashtags we're going to talk about is the niche specific hashtag. Now, my niche is different from your niche. So when it comes to niche specific hashtag, when you are uploading your YouTube video, you have to be specific with the hashtag in respect to the niche you are uploading on your channel. For example, I mostly talk about how to earn money from the online space. So most of my hashtags will go like this. Let's take, for example, your niche is about YouTube tips. So your hashtags are going to be niche specific to YouTube tips like this. Also, let's take, for example, that your niche is about a spiritual thing. So you're going to put in niche specific hashtags like this. So it's as simple as that. Depending on your niche on YouTube, you have to make sure that your hashtags are specific to that. So we have general hashtags, we have tutorial hashtags, we have how-to hashtags, we have niche specific hashtags, and we have other hashtags that you can put or implement on your channel. And these hashtags might just help your channel to gain more visibility and more engagement. So hashtagging your video is as simple as this. It's very important for you to get the hashtag right. Let me give you an example. Imagine me who is creating content on how to make money online or YouTube tips. Then when I go to put the hashtags on my video, I put a hashtag about how to make up or how to cook or how to play game or how you can raise. Now, when I draw this kind of audience to my channel, definitely they are not going to watch my channel. Why? Because they are all interested in playing games or making up or cooking. So why are they around the video that is talking about how you can earn money? That is not their interest. So Hashtags will help you to draw the people that are interested in your own video or the kind of video you do or your niche to them. Use the right hashtags for your video and let's see if this strategy will work for us. Thank you all for watching this video up till the end of this video, and I hope you will get value from this video, and someone who is watching this video right now will definitely grow or trend on YouTube because of this video. Love you all so much and see you on our next strategy. Bye bye.